How to buy Barron William Trump token. So this token came under the symbol of BWT. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the virtual power codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener and it's created by 23 hours ago. So it's increased by 3%, 3000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 9%. That's good. That's many investment in safe place. So as you can see, this token, to be able to buy it, click here to copy the token address from here. So this token address, it's aim under this Solana network. Open your fund money for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redact it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slip hash. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Barron William Trump token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.